YouTube channel Cbse online class. Today I am going to discuss with you some basic sentences so you can use in your daily life for beginners. So I am going to discuss with you some sentences for beginners. So let's start. So if you want to drink water, you can say, please give me a glass of water. Please give me a glass of water. If you want to take one pen or pencil from your friends, so you can say, please give me a pen. Please give me a pencil. And after that, you should say, thank you. After that, you are feeling very hot. So what should you say? Yes, please switch on the fan. Please switch on the fan. After that, if you want to watch cartoon channel, if you want to watch any movie from TV, so what should you say? You should say, please switch on the TV. Switch on the TV. So now I am going to revise once more time. Please give me a glass of water. Please give me a pencil or please give me a pen. Please switch on the fan. Please switch on the TV. So now after that I am going to discuss with you more some sentences. So if you want to go to playground, what will you say to your mama, to your grandmother? It can be your grandfather, it can be your father. So what should you say? I want to play. Now I want to play. So then another sentence you can say, suppose you are feeling hungry. Please give me some food. So it can be dinner, it can be lunch, it can be snacks, it can be breakfast. Whenever you are feeling hungry, you should say, please, I am very hungry. Please give me some food. Your favorite food you can offer to your mama. Please prepare for me. If your favorite food is sandwich, you can say, please mama, today prepare for me sandwich. It can be veg sandwich, it can be non-veg sandwich. If you want to eat rice or chicken curry, so you can say, mama, please prepare for me rice or chicken curry. It's my favorite food. So these type of sentences you should apply, you can apply in your daily life. So you should practice the small sentences. Give me my book. Now I want to write. So please give me my copy, my pencil, my eraser. So mama, please give me my favorite dress. You can say like this. So these are very small sentences and you can apply in your daily life. So please practice at your home these type of small sentences, and again I will come with my new video. So bye everybody.